Fix in 5. Let's decode P0577. Cruise control input circuit high, electrical signal above expected THR. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control function disabled or unavailable. Check engine light illuminated. Cruise control buttons unresponsive or erratic. Vehicle speed control unstable when cruise activated. Steering wheel controls for cruise not responding. Now the most likely causes. Cruise control switch stalk stuck in high position. Shorted wiring in cruise control circuit. Corroded or loose connector at cruise control module. Failed cruise control switch assembly. Damaged steering column wiring harness. How to fix it. Clean or replace cruise control switch stalk assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring in cruise control circuit. Reseat and inspect steering column connectors. Replace cruise control module if electrical diagnostics are inconclusive. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45 minus 120 doing it yourself, or Euro 125 to 200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0577? Short trips may be possible with P0577 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0577. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.